Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Jan, and through this video I am just trying to explain you how you can install a Java or the JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit on a Windows 10 machine. So the purpose of having that installed on your machine, you are creating an environment to develop a Java application on your machine, right? And it comes in three flavor: the SE, the standard edition, then we have a E, the price edition, then we have a ME, the micro edition, right? And James Gosling and Mike Sheridan, the Patrick Norton were are the creator of this Java, and they started this Java programming language with the name of Awk, right? And then they changed the name to Green, and eventually it becomes the Java. So the important, then the key factor or the attributes of Java, it's completely portable. When I say it's portable, it means you can just create the Java bytecode in one particular machine, and you can just take it to the another machine, and you can just run that code on different machine, provided you should have a JVM. I won't say JVM, you should call it as JRE, because JVM is a part of JRE, and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, right? So there are a lot of interesting factors. What is bytecode, how it gets, so whenever you compile a Java code, it converts into the bytecode. And the Java runtime environment, which has JVM, what it does is it has a just-in-time compiler. We call it runtime compiler as well. Take the bytecode and convert into the native machine code. So this is the feature which enables, or which makes the Java portable. And so if you have, the different machine where you want to run a Java application which is compiled on a different machine, you can do that, provided you should have a JVM or JRE on a target machine. Right, and there are a lot of reasons why we have a just-in-time compiler. There are a lot of information available over the net. If you are really interested, just put that comment. So I'll be explaining and maybe coming in with the next video what exactly the just-in-time and how does it work. So for now, what we can do, let me just quickly go to the Google, and just to show you how you can do it. Open a browser and just type a Java SE installer for Windows 10. Click on it, and you will see all these stuff. So where you have to go, and don't refer this docs and all this stuff, because I mean, yeah. So go for this www.oracle.com tech network Java SC download index, and click on this. It will take you to here. You can see this Java SC download, right, for JDK 10 and all this stuff, right? So you can always go back to the Java with whatever version you want it, right? So you can just look for the version which you want, and you can just install it, right? So I would install this. Let me click on this. So these are the version, these are the OS for Linux we have, and we have for Mac OS, Mac OS, then we have print for Windows for Solaris Spark, right? So let me quickly click on this. And sorry, you must accept. Okay, so I am accepting that, right? So once you just accept it, what would happen is it will start, downloading. So here you can just accept it. Then not this one, this one, yeah. So let me just quickly pause that, because I have already installed, I have already downloaded it. So let me quickly show you Java. It should be, yeah. So this is what I got. So you once you're down, once the download will be complete for you, then here you can just go to the download folder, and you can just check for this installer, and you just need to click on yes. Now yeah, so you have to click on next, and again next, and it will start, installing that Java on your system. So now it will ask for whether you want to change it. If you really want to change it, change it. Otherwise, keep it as it is. Now it's actually starting the Java on your machine. You have the Java SE development kit successfully installed. Close it. Now, the interesting part. Let me check whether I got it or not. Yep. See, so we got this Java version. So that is how you can install it, and I can show you where it is getting installed quickly. Uh, Program files, then we have Java, then we have JDK and JRE. Right. The another factor is in the command prompt. If that thing doesn't work, first of all, what you can do is you can restart the machine, and still if it doesn't work, then you need to just go to the click on this my computer or this PC, right? Go to the property, click on advanced system settings, go to the environment variables, and in the system variable section we have a path, right? Click on path, click on edit, and see whether you got this program files Java related stuff somewhere in Java home. It's if it is not there, then you need to click on this. If it is not there, then you have to just make the entry here. What you can do is you can just copy and paste it, right? So that is how you can do it. And if still that doesn't work, right, then you have to just set the java underscore home, and then you have to give this path, right? Up to this path you just copy this and come here, environment variable, come down here, do the audit, paste it here. This is what you have to do, and you would be fine. And if that doesn't work, then you can just restart the system, then it should work. That's it from my side. If you have any further question on it, please feel free to just give me the feedback in the comment. And while doing the installation, if you face an issue, just feel free to post in a comment section, or you can just always email me as well, and I'll be more than happy to help you out how you can install on your machine. Thanks for watching this, and please, if you really like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.